In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and backup data in Zoho Books. If you want to keep a secure copy of your records for safekeeping, reporting, or internal storage, Zoho Books gives you a built-in backup option that makes the process straightforward. I will walk you through exactly where to find it and what to expect along the way. To begin, open Zoho Books and make sure you are on your main dashboard. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Zoho Books keeps many of the administrative and account-level options. So it's the starting point for managing your organization's data. Inside Settings, go to the Developer Data section and select Data Management. This area contains tools related to handling and organizing your account data, including the backup feature. When you are there, click the Backup Data button to begin the export process. At this stage, Zoho Books may give you the option to include sensitive personally identifiable information, also known as PII. If your backup needs to contain that information for compliance, migration, or record-keeping purposes, check that box. If you do not need that data in the export, leave it unchecked for added privacy. It's a good idea to think carefully about who will access the backup file before deciding. Next, create a strong password when prompted. This password helps protect the backup file, so choose one that is secure and memorable. A strong password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Be sure to store it somewhere safe, because you may need it later when accessing the downloaded file. Once that's done, click Continue. Zoho Books will then begin compiling your organization's data into a downloadable zip file. This backup typically includes data from all of your modules, which makes it useful if you want a complete snapshot of your account. The compilation process is not always instant, so don't worry if the file isn't ready right away. In most cases, it takes about 30 minutes. When the backup has finished processing, Zoho will send you a notification and an email containing the download link for your data. From there, you can download the zip file and store it in a secure location, such as an encrypted drive or your approved company storage system. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.